Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to add or remove the X tag, formerly known as Twitter, on your Roblox account. So the first step is to launch Roblox, and if you've chosen to use Roblox on your browser app, then you want to open it, click on the settings icon, and then select settings. So this will help you navigate to the main settings menu. If you've chosen to use the app, then it's slightly different. So the first step is to launch the app and ensure that you're logged in. From here, you want to click on More and then select Settings. Under Settings, you want to ensure that you're in your account info page. So from here, once you've ensured that you're in your account info page, you then want to scroll down until you get to social networks, and you should see different networks that you can add to your account. So you have Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Twitch, and Gilded. So to add your Twitter, you want to now put the @ symbol and then your handle name. And once you've added your handle name, then you want to click on Save to add the changes to your account. So now just click on OK. And so now, whenever someone looks at the profile of your Roblox account, they should see your Twitter handle. Alternatively, if you've come to remove it, then you can just come to the Twitter section, highlight what you've written and erase it, and then just click on Save, and it will apply the changes. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and we'll get back to you.